In this video, I will show you how to find the Amazon seller storefront URL link. So for that, simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for the thing that you want to buy from Amazon or the store's name. If you search for it, simply click on the link. After that, choose the product. Now right below Deliver to Nepal, here you can see the store icon and then visit the store in blue link. Click on it. Now this is their storefront. To get its URL, simply click on this URL bar at the top of the screen. Here you can see share, copy and edit icon. You can directly share it from here, and that is how you can find the Amazon seller storefront URL link. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.